This is Bangkok, a city built on the banks of the Chao Phraya River. Its streets teeming with a people graced with soulful beauty. This is the Wat Arun Temple. These are the rickety putt-putt taxis. This is the temple of Wat Phra Keo. This is Dennis Hopper. Dennis is about to embark on the journey of a lifetime. Many have come, few are chosen.
Fishing with John. Fishing with John. Fishing with John. Out on the water, fishing with John.
I made a mistake. John is still alive. John and Dennis are united. John has not seen Dennis since he was a little boy.
So we were 28 hours traveling. 28 hours, man, and it was really tiring.
How do you figure 28 hours?
Well, it was
It's okay,
12,
11?
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
You're
23,
right.
24, 25 to 67. By the time we got from the airport to the thing, by the time I got to the hotel in Bangkok, it was 28 hours later. And it was exhausting.
On today's episode, John Lurie and Dennis Hopper are in search of the elusive giant squid. Sightings have recently been reported in the deepest regions of Thailand. John and Dennis hope to be the first fishermen to actually catch one.
Wow, man, look at that. That's dramatic, man. Look at that. But this couldn't be anywhere but in Asia, you know what I mean? Or wherever we are, right? I mean, that just looks like what it is. It looks like what it is. It's just very weird.
You know what? I would like to stop for one. Can we stop for 1 second?
Oh, we can play Easy Rider music here. All you need is two other guys and a long shot on the highway.
Wait, who gets killed first? You, right?
Huh?
You get killed first. Peter Fonda gets
I
killed
don't
first?
die.
Yes, you both die. What are you talking
No,
about?
I didn't die.
Yes.
How the fuck do you think I died? You never saw me die. You saw
Yeah.
Fonda die.
Fonda died, and then
I
when
said
you,
I'm gonna get those.
and you go back, and they shoot you with a shotgun.
They shoot me. No,
Yeah.
he goes back.
He goes back.
They shoot me off the bike, and he comes to me, and and he gets on his bike and
He's
goes
coming
off
back.
after them,
He's
and they
coming
blow him away. You never see me die. I could do a sequel all alone. Wow. Come on.
Come on.
Boy, there must be fish here. Look at that. Look at that. That's rubber, man.
They have that everywhere.
I had a girlfriend once that I was treating her like a doormat. I never could understand that. Till recently.
I don't know Teresa.
Huh?
I don't know Teresa.
No, it wasn't Teresa. Till recently, I didn't understand what she meant by, I treated her like a doormat. Not Teresa.
After their arrival, they stay comfortably here, in this traditional stilted hut. They buy supplies here in this canteen, which is 3 miles down the road.
You want anything else? No. So all you having is sugar, man. You're just going crazy. Yeah. You're gonna have a hypoglycemic attack. You're gonna have a hypoglycemic attack.
Who?
You.
So you're gonna drink this whole thing?
I'll pour some of it out the window.
As always, night turns into day. Fishermen wake up early on the Crom Nip River. This is John's friend, Lon. Lon will take them on the first leg of their journey. John and Dennis have several days' journey before they reach the area where the giant squid has recently been spotted. Out of politeness and for old time's sake, John and Dennis pretend to hear one another, but the roar of the engine makes communication all but impossible. They stop here to catch fish for food.
You got squid there?
No, you want a piece of squid?
Yeah.
Hey, Lon, do you have...
Some squid. Yeah. He's gonna.
The Andaman Sea, the Andaman Sea. I'd like to be on the Andaman Sea.
Got something there.
You're just trying to
No,
scare me.
look at it.
You got a fish?
No, I got. Well, something's going on down there.
How's the Dramamine feel?
Oh yeah, it's great. It's a lot better than the Snicker bars.
It made you behave though, totally differently.
Oh, yeah.
Now you're like, You got a fish?
Maybe so. I may have a fish. I do have a fish. Huh? What do you suppose that is, man?
One small fish cannot feed 3 hungry men. Lon knows of a place where he can inquire where the fishing might be better.
1-0. 1-0.
This is their last stop in civilization. They have lunch here. John and Dennis try to relax with a game of ping pong, while Lon checks out the local fishing reports.
6-5.
I was paralyzed. 6-all.
6-all.
Yes.
Huh?
Oh!
13-9. Wait, is that right? 16-9, you're...
16
Wait,
to 10.
huh?
16
Wait, was that right, though, to switch then?
Yeah, 16 and 9 is
Okay, but
25.
that last one doesn't count, because I was
This
thinking.
doesn't absolutely count. 16 to 10. Ready?
Yeah. $18-10, Johnny.
All right.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Oh, I can't.
20-10. 20-10 and serving for game. 20-10. The winner and still world champion, the old codger.
The old codger.
Again, maybe I'll take you fishing there, Johnny. Fishing up the pier at 42nd Street.
Why do you call me Johnny? I don't think it shows proper respect to a man in my position.
Has anybody ever called you Johnny, ever?
No one besides you has ever dared.
John and Dennis have gone out fishing alone. Lon, the fisherman, runs the camera from the shore.
Where is he? Huh?
You still on?
I don't know. With me?
Yeah.
Is that what's happening?
I don't know. Let's take it in by hand then.
Well, let's just take it. How are you gonna do that, man?
I don't know.
You
Just
can't do it. You can't do it because it's too big.
Right here. Is it coming in?
I don't know.
Yeah, it is. There's no
Huh?
slack. Yes, it is coming in.
Oh, you mean it
coming
was
in?
too much? Too much. Well, where am I at though? Oh. Is he still there?
There's something there.
Huh?
There's something there.
Well, I got hit by a fish. I mean, my pole bent over in half.
I'll tell you right now.
What we got on there now, I don't know.
There was something on there.
Is there still something on there? Man, look at that. You see what I'm saying? Is that thing coming in now?
Yeah. You try reeling? Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Oh, man.
It is coming in, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at you. See him? See him?
No, I didn't see
look,
nothing.
look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
What is it?
I don't know, but it sure is big. Oh, it looks like a...
What on earth is that? Oh, my God.
What is it? Oh,
It's a stingray. What are we going to do?
I don't know.
Wait, it's going to break the line. Don't, wait, just slide it over by the boat. Don't lift it out of the water because it... What are we gonna do with that? It's gonna sting us. What should I do?
Don't do it. Don't take it out of the water.
Wait, hey, I'll take it out of the water. Hang on slowly.
What are you gonna do?
Here, what should I do
Well,
with
you're gonna get stung. You are gonna get
I'm
stung.
not gonna get stung. It's too far away from me.
Well, don't get him near me, man. What are you doing? Drop him out. Well, just drop him down. Just drop him down. We'll take it off later. Drop him down.
I'm trying to. I don't want to drop him there, though.
Oh, okay. Wow, man. Wow.
Oh,
Huh?
Look at the mouth. That's so bizarre.
He's got blue spots on him. Be careful, that stinger, man. He can flip that
Where is
sucker.
this? Oh, yeah, there
it's right
it
at
is.
the tail.
Should we just cut
What
that
do
off?
we do?
How do I get it off the hook?
With Lon at the helm, they continue their journey. Deeper and deeper into Thailand.
If you
Wow, what is that?
It's a beauty. Looks like a sea bass or some kind.
This is the one with. Hey, this. Psst, it's dangerous, yeah?
Huh?
This is the one. If you catch one of these, you can't touch the back fins.
Why?
It's got some kind of poison on it.
What are you doing that for then?
I'm just holding it like this. Every time. I think we cut this and put some, you know, a new one, yeah?
Lon has wooden legs, but real feet. Somewhere in this ocean, there are squid 59 feet long and weighing more than a ton. It is not likely that they inhabit these parts, but one never knows.
Damn, I didn't even feel it. Will you
Yeah.
throw me another little fish?
You brought it, you got a fish or you had your bait stolen?
I had my bait stolen. But I didn't even feel a peck. I was paying total attention. Yes. Just throw it. Yes. Later we're gonna have the fish catching contest. Were you there when those Germans were singing God Bless America last night?
No, come on.
No, really, a table of like 20, maybe more, maybe 30 Germans, one with a guitar, and they were singing really loud. And though, as if to not be rude, then they sang God Bless America.
Maybe they were singing God Save the King, which is what God Bless America's from.
I was gonna wake you up so you could come over and scare them into stopping.
Do you think that might be what they were singing?
What, Dennis scares us?
No. God Save the King.
No, they were singing God Bless America as like...
Well, isn't God Bless America, God Save the King, though? Isn't it the national anthem of England?
England. They were
Yes.
Germans.
Well,
Most
I'm
of the
saying,
things,
that's what I'm telling you, though.
most of the things they were singing were in German.
And you could hear them saying, God Bless America?
Yeah. Land that we love. Stand beside her and guide her through the light.
With the night
Through the
from
light
above?
from above. What?
Through the night with the light from above.
Thank you.
So they were hoping to make it through the night, in other words. They were sort of saying, help me make it through the night,
No.
which is English, isn't it?
No, my brother. It was... All right, Lonnie. Lonnie, me lad.
They take turns sleeping on the boat. One drives while the other remains awake, on watch against attacks by pirates, or even conceivably, the giant squid.
Good, huh?
This is the last leg of Lan's journey. Because of local customs, he's not permitted to travel deeper into Thailand. John and Dennis hope to hop a local squid boat. Lan has warned them about the character of the unsavory crew. Along with the squid fishermen, it is believed by local authorities that pirates are also using these docks. Curious foreigners are not particularly welcome here. Though he is nervous, Lan manages to negotiate John and Dennis's passage onto the squid boat. The crew are not particularly friendly. Tension is in the air due to rumors of the giant squid. 4 local fishermen have disappeared within the last week.
Fishing with John.
Music from this program, as well as other exquisite recordings, the Lounge Lizard's new album, Queen of All Ears, for example, are available on the Strange and Beautiful music label. Purchase these CDs at your local record store or directly at www.strangeandbeautiful.com.